little promo for Coca-Cola. Okay, here's my awesome nephew, AJ, who's going to demonstrate how to do a Rubik's Cube in seconds. Aunt Kimmy's going to mix it up.
I'll try to. Alright. Okay, looks mixed up, right?
Looks pretty mixed up to me.
Alright.
Okay, and here we go. There he goes.
He hasn't started, he's still mixing.
No, now I'm starting.
Oh, now he's starting, okay.
There he goes, getting close. About 30 seconds in.
Yeah, you can watch it for what you do. I don't know if he wants to watch it with boys.
He's gonna get it in less than a minute, I think.
I think so too.
Okay. You put it in. Or do you want to stay with me and watch it with the boys?
He's got it.
Should I do the thing where I look away and do it in the end?
Yeah.
That's fine.
Look at the camera when you
Yep.
look away.
This is his.
Daddy and I went to the bathroom. We take the bathroom now. I put the paint. You're painting the bathroom? Yeah, we did we tiled upstairs floor. Our bathroom. Yeah, that's done. Yeah, the floor. Jason did it. Jason did that. And then I'm gonna review it.
It was a tough mix.
Yeah.
The same as the downstairs, the black and white. Right. Yeah, Jason did it.
Look at my cat too.
He did it. That was like in January. We did that.
Wow, look at that. That's neat. Yeah.
And as a
Scissors.
sideline, Kaya has new shoes. That's it. Her new toes. Oh, nice. I like it.
How's your leg doing?
And Cody.
I can like look away and slowly.
Okay,
So
so
your eyes are on the receipt, but my eyes are on the camera. I'm not even looking. It's not right now. It's not gonna be solved right now. You know, like sometimes it takes a little bit, like not too long. You know, there's people that go really fast. Well, I'm gonna be on like right now.
Your
oh,
sciatica
sweet.
You got it?
Yeah, and he did the whole look away thing and do a little promo for Coca-Cola.
Oh, please drink it.
And AJ endorses Coca-Cola, the official drink of AJ's Rubik Cube extravaganza.
You won't get diabetes.